New unboxing. I kind of dislocated my shoulder last weekend, so slightly uncomfortable. So on the background you can see my old photos with my kit lens I used to use. Well, I'm still using it, but I bought it from auction, so I got like 30% off compared to a new one, and it should be in a mint condition. Well, that's not so spotless, but I hope that the rest of it is better. There was a cash converter that sold it to me. I mean, it's a big business, so I assume they don't lie. It looks good. Almost forgot. Let's try the Sigma. So it seems to be focusing way closer. So that's that unboxing. Let's see what the lens can deliver. Alright, so I took a few photos outside. Seems to be working. I don't know about the focus. I took a few portraits, but as usual I misfocused. If you have any tips how to heal your shoulder faster, please let me know.